The unexpected can stop you in your tracks, and if it happens in your Subaru, you count on your brakes to do the same. That's why it's important to have a routine brake inspection at our service center. Our factory-trained technicians can review the entire system, including the brake fluid level and condition, the calipers and brake lines for leaks or corrosion, the rotors, which, if worn, can cause pulsation and poor braking performance, and the thickness of your pads, which are measured with a brake gauge. The measurements will be marked on an easy-to-read inspection sheet. That way, you'll know how they're wearing over time. How often you need to replace your brake pads depends on your driving style and driving conditions. But if you notice any of these signs while braking, it's time for an inspection. Taking care of these issues can renew proper stopping distance and braking performance while optimizing new vehicle technologies like Subaru EyeSight. And by paying attention to the littlest of signs, you can make a big difference. We're here to help. Make it last. Love. It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.